What was till now a battle between NCP's Nawab Malik and NCB's Sameer Wankhede has now become a full-blown battle between the NCP and the BJP, with Nawab Malik making a fresh set of allegations this morning. Nawab Malik shared a photograph of a man named Jaideep Rana with Maharashtra's leader of opposition and former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis's wife Amruta Fadnavis, and fueled conjecture of a link between the two parties. Nawab Malik alleges that Jaideep Rana, who is currently in jail in connection with a drug trafficking case, was involved in the financing of a song featuring Amruta Fadnavis. Fadnavis, however, refuted the allegations and said the allegations are laughable, and going by the same standards, even the NCP should be considered a kingpin of the drugs racket.
मामला महाराष्ट्र में ड्रग के बड़े कारोबार का है कि देवेंद्र फडणवीस का एक वजह इसी शहर में रहता है, नीरज गुंडे, जिसको पूरी तरह से पिछली सरकार में मुख्यमंत्री निवास में एक्सेस था, मुख्यमंत्री कार्यालय में एक्सेस था और पूरी तरह से उगाही उसी के जरिए महाराष्ट्र में की जाती थी। और देवेंद्र जी जब भी नई मुंबई की तरफ, पूना की तरफ प्रस्थान करते थे तो शाम में उनके घर में हाजिरी लगती थी और लगातार नीरज गुंडे के घर पर वो बैठते थे।
ये आरोप हास्यास्पद इस प्रकार के आरोप है। इस संगठन ने जो रिवर एंथम तैयार किया, उस रिवर एंथम के लिए जो टीम हमारे पास आई थी, उस टीम के क्रिएटिव टीम का एक हायर्ड आदमी, उस व्यक्ति को 4 साल बाद आज एनसीबी ने अरेस्ट किया है। 4 साल पहले का फोटो है। मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूं कि किसी तीसरे आदमी के साथ फोटो आने से अगर बीजेपी का ड्रग कनेक्शन बनता है तो राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस के मंत्री नवाब मलिक, इनके साथ रहने वाले उनके जवाई, इनके घर में गांजा अगर या इनके पास गांजा अगर मिलता है तो इस रेशियो से पूरी राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी यही ड्रग्स की किंगपिन होनी चाहिए।
Let's go across to Saurabh now for more. And Saurabh, till now, Nawab Malik's target was Sameer Wankhede, but now he's shifted, and this link he's drawing between Devendra Fadnavis's wife and somebody who's now in jail on drug peddling charges.
That's right. In fact, Devendra Fadnavis has also confirmed that this man was arrested 4 years after this photo was taken, and that's something that's been confirmed by both Nawab Malik and Devendra Fadnavis. But the question is, of course, beyond the political allegations, beyond the allegations which are serious in nature, no doubt, that, whether there were any links of this man to Devendra Fadnavis, and which Devendra Fadnavis has also explained in his rejoinder or in his rebuttal in a press conference that he held short while ago. There is still a serious question on the functioning of the agency and the anti-drugs probes. Now, there are two parts to this. Today, Nawab Malik seems to have shifted to the anti-drugs probes, of how drug probes are carried out, whether they are being carried out at all or not, and, whether, there is a connection. That is something that Nawab Malik is alleging and Devendra Fadnavis is replying to. But beyond that, there are serious questions of leaks, of WhatsApp chats, of what's been said in affidavits in courts, of what's been talked about payoffs, of what's been talked about, the fact that private WhatsApp chats are continuously leaked, and whether the Narcotics Control Bureau has gone after small-time consumers or, as its mandate suggests, going after big drug cartels. These are questions that are questions of public accountability, and a public office holder has to be accountable. Then, of course, yes, this battle has now become full-blown political, and with Nawab Malik making very, very serious allegations and Devendra Fadnavis responding to that, the last has not been heard on this. In fact, the BJP is now saying, Diwali ke baad we will do a bigger expose. Now, what that is, of course, we don't know. But beyond the political allegations, beyond allegations of links that Nawab Malik seems to be suggesting and Devendra Fadnavis seems to be responding to, the question really is about the accountability of the Narcotics Control Bureau. It was set up to go after drug cartels. Has it done the same or not? Or has it, of course, been lost in the manner in which it has functioned? Is there, of course, a leak, selective leaks that hamper investigation, that affects privacy of individuals, that also often becomes defamatory because of the conversations it creates on social media. All of these questions are of prime importance to citizens. And of course, this is something that we've not last heard on, because this is now also a political battle along with the allegations that Nawab Malik has made against Samir Wankhede. He's now also making allegations against Devendra Fadnavis, and Devendra Fadnavis also responding to them.